Finally got a chance to drive this car. So I've been doing some testing. I should have been driving on the open road, but this is just fine. It's, you know, it's just a morning run, driving on my neighborhood. My steering wheel that I put on is off-centered. We're gonna go to the straight now. Okay, I'm driving straight. The car goes straight. That's without the hands. And it's off-centered. And if I try to correct it, the car goes to the right. And I have a technique that I'm gonna use so I can show it to you on how can I fix this. It's really simple. It just involves adjusting both tie rods, the left and right. Okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And like I said, I'm gonna try to fix the wheels being off-centered. And I could just reclock the short hub, you know, like a one spline. That'll be the easiest way. But I really don't want to do that because that steering wheel, as far as like the hub is concerned, it's already set up dead center, and I really don't want to mess around with that one anymore. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to adjust the inner tie rods, both sides, and hopefully I can bring it to a tolerable taste. And just give me some time to set my tools up, and let me show it to you. Okay, got the wheels off, and like I said, this is brand new tires, and no wear on the tire, no abnormal wear, both sides. Both sides. Put this on the side here. Hi. Let me explain some of the things that what's happening on this car, and let me show you how the car is behaving. And this is like to illustrate. This is my steering wheel, and it was off-centered, and this is the two tires, and it goes straight, set up like this. And now when I corrected it, it's horizontal, straight, and the car goes to the right. So meaning the tire, you know, it out that way, goes to the right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust the tie rods. I want this tire to go in this way. I want these tires to go out. So this will be the right side. This will be the right side, and then this will be the left. Yeah. So I want the tie rods. I'm gonna adjust the tie rods. I'm gonna loosen it. So I'm gonna turn the tie rod facing me. I'm gonna turn the tie rod clockwise. This will be clockwise. Yeah, away from me. You know. And then the left side, if I'm looking at it, I'm tightening it, then it will be counterclockwise. This will be counterclockwise. I want this tire to go in, so I want this thing tight. I want to tighten it. I want this tire to go out, so I'm loosening it away from me. So if I'm looking at you guys, if I'm working on the left wheel, so I have to counterclockwise the inner tie rods. And if I'm on the right side, I'll be loosening it. It'll be clockwise rotation. Okay? And let's go and let's do that. I can just go ahead and adjust this. I think I'm gonna do one full turn. Yeah. So it'll be this one. I'm going to loosen it. So I'm gonna turn this clockwise rotation, and I'm gonna turn one full turn. This marking will go around. Oh, I have to hold this thing. All right, that's one full turn, and I'm just gonna tighten it. Okay, let me secure that. Tighten that securely. I'll do the same thing on this side. Let me just remove the old tapes. Put my marking. And loosen the jam nut. Okay, now this side I want it to go in, so I'm going to turn this one turn, one full turn. Get it lined up right there, my marking. Tighten the nut. Make sure it's tight. Like I said, make sure your tie rod is in good condition. You know, no abnormal. But I think eventually I'm gonna change the all the bushing, put a poly bushing on there, and that's only required 14 and 19 and the tape, and just a marker. Now I can put everything back in. Everything is is put back on, and let's go for a drive. Too much. I went too much. I think it's just only half, like half turn. Yeah. Now it's off-centered on the right side. Anyway. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I went a little bit too much. Now I need to go back maybe a quarter of a turn, and then that should do it. Well, that's it. All good now. All right, now let's go home. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed what I did on my Nardi steering wheels, as far as like correcting being off-centered, and the final adjustment I did on the tie rod is I ended up just adjusting it halfway on both sides. And I checked the remaining threads on the tie rods, inner tie rods, and they're pretty much the same on left and the right. Okay, and that's it. And like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. It's all fixed now. Then I can move on to the next. Radiator will be next. Tuck-in radiator. See what's the hype on that one. Alright, again, thank you very much.